Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Big up on ourselves. I just want to say thank you guys for the support. Me, I try keep active, keep up to date with the mini vlogs. So as you can see, me get a little retwist. A little retwist. Go on, not too crazy, but it go on, it look good. What we are doing today? Today, me off, so of course, I spend some time with my son. We probably are gonna get lunch. Me don't know where yet. Based on what him feel for. I think Dennys though, but him that crave Dennys for a long time, but yeah. I don't know if I'm changing. I'm supposed to be a girl. Yeah, she need a bath. Girl, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, she definitely need a bath. Look at him. Hot mess. That the on agenda for today for be a girl, and just gonna have some quality time with my son. Guys, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate it. But join us on this journey today. Let's go. Alright guys, we out. We on our way now.
I didn't mean to jump in front of you.
Oh, no, you're fine.
My dad had already come in. So when I came in and I saw this gentleman sitting there, that's where my dad and I usually sit when we come in. And so I sat down with him and I looked at him and he looked at me.
Oh! Happens to everyone.
So like I said, I just thought they had...
Let's see what we want. Oh, it's the milkshakes for me.
Look at this.
Oh my god. This menu is everything. Yeah, we're gonna be here all day.
I'm on a diet.
You are? Not today. Guys, it is so hard.
Look at all this.
It is so hard to
And there's
choose.
more menu. Look how heavy it is.
It's a lot.
Heavy it is.
It's a lot. Thank you.
Hang in there, not too shabby. Say running around like crazy.
How's it? Oh,
It's like creamy. Forgot there's low fat yogurt in there.
oh, it's the
No fat,
healthy.
no yogurt.
Well, you're on a diet. Cameron never really liked the mango smoothie.
It's kind of too creamy, but then I told us
Isn't it?
They said that I said I didn't like it, and I said that it was too creamy. Low fat yogurt in it.
So, I'm gonna get the Oreo milkshake instead. I'm gonna tell this hit. Yeah. Also, they make it extra. Wow. Look at this. You can't get no better than this. So we already decided what we are gonna get. If you can see, I'm gonna get that.
And then I'm gonna get that.
Cameron is getting that. It's gonna be great. How is it? Now we're talking.
Yes.
Banana pancake breakfast.
You can. How do you like your eggs?
Sunny side up, please.
Got it. You like bacon or sausage?
Yeah.
Or a little bit of both?
Bacon.
Bacon. And did you want cheese or anything on your hash browns?
Bacon.
I love more bacon.
More bacon. That's what.
You
Alright.
never have enough bacon, I'm telling you.
Thank you.
You see me every day, because I will bring you food, okay? Just for that smile.
Oh my god. Cheese.
Which one should I try first?
I don't know. Just
I'm
try it.
gonna flip it over.
Yeah, that's gonna leave a whole mess right there.
It's closed. It's not popping out.
Whoa.
Is it okay?
Now, flip it one more time. Oh, even if it doesn't flip, I don't care. This is so good.
Okay.
How good is it? I think we gotta come to Dennys more because this. Hit different.
So good.
Oh my god. I'm done. I know. Who knows, right?
Because I know
make it better, I just lay down. It's all carb.
You'd be like, I'm so proud of you.
Maybe you should be here.
Yeah, you should be here. It's so, the food's so yummy.
Guys, that was like the best food ever. Alright? So good.
My pancakes.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I am full.
Hey girl. You ready for your bath? Jesus, especially before and after. It does not look good. Let me see your face.
Watch out. Have it before copying ya. Watch out. Uno, mode. Diva, can't stop. Oh, singer, mea. Bad mind, killer. As me move, as me rock, as me sit me litter. Move, dude, go. Diva, gal, dance, jump. Quicker, make a dance couple times. Girl, take me picture. Alright then, I bet me fuck up in ya. Juke.
Where are you sitting down?
Juke. I bet me fuck up in your move, you, do it. Old school stuff. Let me tell them something now. Watch this. I bet me fuck up over there so. Walk over there so them me turn up over there so. See ya hot gal, me ya call her hello. See bigger the dance and the place get mellow. Hear me ya tell you, I saw me do me thing. She and them a fling. Get me enemy, them me gal is super king. Camera, action, film. When me go outside, lock down the building, I bet me fuck up in ya. Juice.
You see if me not dry her good, she'll go rolling at the dirt on me. Can't do that again. Nice and clean. Girl. Nice and clean though. Yeah. Are you that? Are you that? You next, now look.
Dance, jump, quicker, make a dance couple times, girl, take me picture. Alright then, I bet me fuck up in your. Juice.